I am worthy of love and care. I forgive myself for not being perfect. I allow myself to feel my emotions without judgment. I am learning and growing each day. I treat myself with the same kindness I give to others. I release self-criticism and embrace understanding. Every day, I am becoming gentler with myself. I honor my feelings as valid and important. I am patient with my progress. I give myself permission to rest when I need it. I am deserving of peace, love, and joy. I accept all parts of myself with compassion. I am learning to be my own best friend. I treat myself with care, even when life feels challenging. I embrace my humanity with all its imperfections. I am soft with myself in moments of struggle. I speak to myself with love and encouragement. I choose understanding over criticism. I release guilt and welcome grace. I am gentle with my heart and mind. I see the light in others, even when it is hidden. I approach every person with kindness and empathy. I listen deeply without judgment. I respond with patience and understanding. I honor the feelings and experiences of those around me. I am a source of love and compassion in the world. My actions and words heal and uplift others. I choose to forgive and let go of anger. I radiate warmth and understanding to everyone I meet. I am aware of the needs of others without losing myself. I send love to those who have hurt me. I understand that everyone is on their own journey. I choose empathy over resentment. I approach conflicts with a gentle heart. I am a beacon of calm and compassion in challenging situations. I release the need to control others and allow them their path. I offer my presence as a gift of care and support. I recognize the humanity in every person I encounter. I hold space for others without judgment. I extend grace as freely as I receive it. Today, I will speak kindly to myself and others. Today, I will notice moments where I can offer love. Today, I will respond with patience instead of reaction. Today, I will allow myself rest without guilt. Today, I will choose understanding over judgment. Today, I will treat myself with tenderness in every thought. Today, I will see the good in myself and in the world. Today, I will celebrate small victories and progress. Today, I will honor my emotions and let them guide me. Today, I will approach life with a heart open to compassion. I am consistent in practicing compassion every day. I remind myself that every act of kindness matters. I am aware of my own needs while caring for others. I prioritize my well-being with love, not guilt. I let go of harsh thoughts and embrace gentle truths. I recognize that compassion is strength, not weakness. I nurture my spirit with love and understanding. I am becoming a more patient, kind, and understanding person each day. I offer forgiveness where it is needed, starting with myself. I am a vessel of peace, understanding, and compassion. I release judgments about my past choices. I embrace the lessons in every experience. I am softening the edges of my heart with love. I allow space for mistakes, learning, and growth. I honor the journey I am on with patience and grace. I am becoming more understanding with each passing moment. I am capable of seeing beauty in every person and situation. I allow compassion to guide my thoughts and actions. I practice patience with myself and others continuously. I trust the process of life and remain gentle with my heart. I am aware that compassion begins with me. I am a source of calm, love, and encouragement. I release fear and judgment in favor of empathy. I nurture those around me with kindness and understanding. I choose love over criticism in every interaction. I cultivate inner peace through daily compassionate practice. I honor the sacredness of every human life. I approach challenges with a heart filled with understanding. I recognize that compassion brings true strength. I radiate love in all directions, knowing it returns to me. I am gentle with myself when I feel overwhelmed. I allow rest without shame or guilt. I honor my limits as an act of compassion. I breathe in love and breathe out tension. I speak softly to myself when life feels difficult. I extend that softness to everyone I meet. I am patient with my growth and the growth of others. I allow my heart to expand with understanding. I approach each day with an open and compassionate spirit. I welcome love, forgiveness, and grace into my life. I am deserving of care, rest, and understanding. I forgive myself for past mistakes and release regrets. I allow compassion to flow through me effortlessly. I treat myself with tenderness in every moment. I see beauty and light in all beings. I radiate empathy and patience to the world around me. I choose love as my guiding force each day. I respond with understanding to challenges and difficulties. I trust in the power of kindness to heal and transform. I am a source of warmth, love, and compassionate energy.